What is up, everybody? It is your boy AronRSX, and in today's video we are going to be installing the new exhaust for the RSX. Now, I did install the headers. It is the PLM 421 header, but now I added the exhaust. You guys probably know what the exhaust is judging from the title, but it is the Skunk2 Megapower RR. It is going to be the RR version, the 3-inch or the 76mm exhaust. Now, I chose the 3-inch because it is a more deep tone than the 2.5 that I have right now, and it is actually better for power wise. So probably gonna give me like around 5 to 10 more wheel horsepower than if I kept with my 2.5-inch diameter exhaust. But the whole time I had the RSX, I've been wanting either the K-Tune oval exhaust or the Skunk2. Before you guys say it's for boo-boo, watch this, watch this. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Certified, you know what I'm saying? Now, for the people who don't know, the Skunk2 Megapower has a 2-bolt flange connecting to the cat. I don't know why Skunk2 made this, but I know the previous models of the Skunk2 Megapower RR has the tri-flange on the cat back exhaust, but they switched it up to a 2-bolt flange. So I'm getting my test pipe from PLM from a tri-3 flange to a 2-bolt, and we're actually gonna go head to the shop right now. It is gonna be Darren's uncle. Shout out to Darren's uncle. But we are gonna be waiting for the boys right now. I'll show you guys the car. I did raise it up by a lot, and by I mean a lot, I mean monster truck. I did not want the exhaust to hang and scrape all over the place while I'm driving to the shop, because right now I'm running open header and the cat bag is not connected to anything. So I zip tied it to the test pipe, the little holes, so it'll try to be like, you know, it'll be up more. Hopefully it doesn't melt off, and it's only gonna be like a 5-minute drive over there. Hopefully it doesn't fall off. I hope not. I'm praying not, but yeah, hopefully the exhaust sounds good. We'll get some sound clips in the video, and yeah, without further ado, I'll show you guys the car right now. Here it is, guys. Oh my goodness. Ew. If you guys think it's for boo-boo or fake, I did buy it from eBay, but it is still Skunk2, bro. It's still Skunk2, bro. What you mean, bro? But yes, I did raise up the car by quite a bit, about 3-inch gap, 3-finger gap, and the rears about the same. Look at that. Oh my goodness, that's just terrible. Hey, but the fitment though, look at how ugly this is, bro. Oh god. Oh no. Yeah, this is how bad people ride, bro. That's the right height, because they're too scared to go even lower. Alright, so I don't know if you guys can hear me right now, but the car is running open header. So here's what it sounds like as of right now. You kind of hear it. I'm with Darren right now, so we'll see you guys when we get to the shop. Hey, what the?
A few moments later.
Bruh, this shit's so loud. I can't. And it's scraping on the floor. No! Oh, y'all hear that, bro? I'm so sad, bro. My poor exhaust.
RSX guys. You know what I'm saying? Oh, shut up.
Hella high, bro.
I know, you look weird now. Sheesh. Oh, look at this gay guy.
Oh, man. Trump, I'm saying. RSX.
This VQ swap into the RSX.
Like this. I think it's good height.
Oh, no.
What?
Hey,
No, man.
It's good height, man.
Terrible,
They're
man.
also pretty low still.
yeah, let me do a test. I don't know, man. I don't think it's a good test, man.
Not Billy passed on. Not Billy approved.
Not Billy approved.
Can't even.
What?
I can't even put it in the thing, bro.
The fast guy.
Shut up. Hey, what the?
What are you doing?
What is this guy doing, bro?
Yeah, goes to the shop, don't know how to act.
I know, right? Look at this.
Dude, nice intake, bro. Is this painted?
She's going up, guys. You know what I'm saying? Oh. Bro, you got the force, bro? Oh. Even higher, man. Yeah, this guy.
That's it?
Hey, this guy's a Jedi, bro.
Oh shit, look at this setup, bro. This setup is like the greatest setup of all time.
See, you did it like this. You should have got it like.
It's an E.
Yeah, I tried finding a hole somewhere.
More like over here would have been better. Or shit, you could have. I mean, you had all this back in here already, or
What?
or you just barely put that in too?
I barely put that in yesterday.
Wait, so this is the new?
Yeah.
So you trying to run it?
Trying to run it, bro?
Trying
You trying to run it? You trying to run it?
I'm on the stock intake.
Oh, look at this setup, man. Hey, look at this setup, man. Oh, look at this setup, man. Hey, what the? You putting some nitrous in there, bro?
No, I'm putting
Oh!
I'm a fast guy now.
Hey, ain't nobody playing with Darren, bro.
By the world, you know what I'm saying?
Oh shit.
Hey, B-roll, ready?
Alright.
Okay, it's childish, can't be no homegirl, drop it like the NASDAQ. Move white girls like this coke up my ass crack. Move black girls, cause man, fuck it, I'll do either. I love pussy, I love bitches, dude, I should be running Peter in Adidas with some short shorts. B-O-O all over me, my green is where it's supposed to be. Your green is in my grocery. This Asian dude, I stole his girl and
Alright guys, so look how it is. You know what I'm saying? Look at that weld, wow. Wow, man. Looks good, man. Looks good. I can't wait to hear it, man. Oh, hey. What is up, guys? Eliminate here. You know what I'm saying? I got the new RSX, you know what I'm saying? But you wanna get sued by them? Hey, shut, Joey. You shut this dude, bro.
Yeah, it does. Sounds really good.
Too loud for me, but it's cool.
Hey, chill out. I was right there, bro. You happy now?
I'm happy, bro.
Oh yeah.
How you feeling?
All thanks to...
This one. This is our old 204, right?
Yeah.
You got K problem?
No, not yet.
I used to like Civic.
Oh.
Throw that in there instead of two-step in there.
Thank you.
Dang, happy guy.
Finally, I don't sound like shit no more. I'm hyped up, bro. Hey, hyped up, bro.
Hey.
I just want to thank you guys, Uncle, for doing this. It's been a long time waiting. I wanted this ever since I got the car. So yeah, man.
This guy.
that shit sounds good.
I know, bro.
Hey, pay the man. Pay the man.
You're right. Hold on, I'll call you back.
E85 boys.
Damn! And he paused. You sound nice. What's up, guys? Billy SI guy here, you know what I'm saying? Waiting for AronRSX type S guy here, you know what I'm saying? Okay, let's go. Waiting, guys. Yeah. Waiting, guys. Yeah. Waiting time. It's the economy, bro. Yeah, my economy, bro shows. You know what I'm saying? Little verse from Jackie Alexis guy. Alright, here we go. Sheesh.
Getting my headers.
Oh, he said he's gonna get his headers in, guys.
Bro, you're not supposed to tell anybody. Delete this shit right now, Aaron. You better delete that shit. No
He
one's
said he's
supposed
gonna
to
get his
know.
headers, bro.
Alright, guys, we're gonna go in a little run in the, what was it again? K.
It's a K20, stock K20 turbo all-wheel drive.
What you know about that?
Oh, look at this guy. Bye, Darren.
This is a race car.
Oh my god!
This is crazy. This is crazy.
My bad, that was my light. That was my light. That was my light.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Preloaded. Oh my god.
Oh my god. God damn, what y'all think though?
Time to go quiet now. This shit is crazy, bro.
Oh my god.
After go from your car to this one,
I know.
this is crazy. Oh my god, I can't handle it. And this is all of us in the car.
I know, dude. Oh my
shit.
god.
It's still pushing, bro. It's still pushing.
God damn. This shit is crazy.
Oh, man.
Hey, what y'all think, man? What y'all
Bruh,
think?
That's
Oh,
only
man.
10 pound of boost.
I know, 10 pound of boost.
Imagine 27, boy.
Sheesh. Hey, you good?
I'm going crazy right now.
I was hoping you guys get out the car and be like,
That was beautiful, bro.
Bro,
Oh
that
my
was
God.
beautiful.
And there was all 4 of us in there,
All
bruh.
4 of us, and it was pushing
That
fast.
shit
The car engine down low was
crazy,
so
bruh.
long. It gripped hella fast. It made me go from. I never been in a car that made me like go back to my seat. I've never been in a car like that.
Me
bruh.
neither, bruh.
you never been in my car?
Nah, bro.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Finally got to experience fast, because
That's fast. We just quick.
My tire pressures are up too, so like it still like slips a little bit.
Oh, yeah. Sheesh.
that was crazy.
That shit's crazy, bro.
Is this what all-wheel drive too?
Yeah. You know how it's all drive?
What?
1, 2.
As you guys can see here, my car is pretty JDM, you know. You got the, so my foot's not on the clutch and I got the
That's cap.
bypass, you know.
That's cap, bro.
I go like,
Oh, look at that light, bro. It's not white. That's JDM.
Yeah, dog. Well, how much boost you running? Let me see.
Boost. All right, ready?
I'm running about 854.
Oh, hell no.
Oh, drives on.
Oh, shit, bro.
That's his.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
That's pretty fast, bro.
Hello, how are you?
Hello.
What can I get for you?
1 moment.
I hate people like you, bro.
What? Why you hate me, bro? I do that all the time. I just got in.
Can I get 1 Crunch Wrap Supreme?
Yeah.
And
I
then
don't see that, man.
can I get
Even I don't see that, man.
What kind of customer service is
I don't see
3 chicken Chipotle
I say,
nuts?
what does he want?
And Baja Blast soda?
Yeah, that's Howard.
That'd be
It's
it.
Howard.
Alright, it's gonna be 14
It's Howard.
Thank you. Such great Christmas.
Bro, Howard knew we were here, bro. I just heard him. Alright, there you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I personally enjoyed the exhaust, bro. Like, oh my goodness. I am satisfied with how the car sounds right now. I am for sure getting Skunk2 alpha headers in the future, but not right now. There is a small, tiny leak. I don't know where it's coming from. I'm pretty sure it's from the header. I don't know, but it sounds really, really good. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think of the exhaust down below. Again, I am running PLM headers to the Skunk2 Megapower RR. And yeah, shout out to Darren's uncle for the welds. It only costed $100 to do the whole weld process, and you know, I paid him an extra $20 just because, you know, I'm happy with his work. I saw it in person, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is AronRSX signing out. Peace.